Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet bow. It's pretty easy to make. I made it with medium worsted yarn and an eye hook. You can go up or down on your hook size and do more or less chains depending on how big you'd like this. You can place it in slow motion. There's a video down below on how to do that. And if you are a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist on how to do those beginner stitches. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and I'm doing a chain count of 19. You can do more for a bigger bow, or you can do less chains for a smaller bow. So yarn over and pull through to create your chains, not too tightly until you have the chain count you desire, and I'm doing 19. In the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then work single crochets in each chain across until you get to the end. You will do 4 rows of single crochet. You will make 2 of these to create this bow. Okay, work that all the way till you get to the end. Now for the next row, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then in the stitch you're going to work your single crochet with the 2 loops below your hook. Yarn over, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to work that until you get to the end with your single crochet. This is row 2 of single crochet. Work that until you get to the end. For the third row, you're going to repeat, just chain 1, turn, and single crochet again in each stitch across until you get to the end. Your last row, chain 1 and just repeat with your single crochets until you get to the end. And now you're going to yarn over, pull through, and leave a tail that is about 1.5 feet. And you're going to make 2 of these. Now you're going to take your 2 ends together and sew them. Just go into each stitch and sew them together with your yarn and your yarn needle. It's going to look like this. This is the bottom part of the bow. You need to take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. To secure them and hide them. And just keep doing this a couple of times, and then you can do it with the other part of your yarn. This is going to be the top part of your bow. So take your 2 ends, wrap it around, and tie it in the back. You can wrap it around one more time and do the same thing with tying it. Now to connect the 2 parts together, you're going to need to find the center, fold it in half. It's right here. And fold this just a little bit, and then you're going to connect these two together by wrapping around your long piece of yarn. Wrap it around. Up to about 8 times. Then you can take your two ends together and tie them. And then make sure it's centered and it matches, and these two ends match as well. And if you want to make this smaller, you can just make less chains, and you can also go down on your hook size, or vice versa, you can make this bigger. If you want to, you can take your keychain and take part of the yarn and attach it. I hope you enjoyed this crochet bow tutorial. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.